Welcome to the Vanity Mirror. Today I'm putting this spray primer on my face to start, followed by this adorable little gray thing. Let's see, we're just going to smear some of that around on my nose and just kind of go from the nose to the cheeks, little forehead action. Just kind of put something on that doesn't make any noticeable difference. Whoop, it's getting hot in here. All right, now it's time for some of this, and we're just going to put a little bit, a big dump on our hand. And we're actually going to start with some ancient Indian war paint. So you're just going to put that all over your face, maybe a couple leopard spots in your forehead. Try to smear it into your hair so it's really hard to wash later. All right, now we're going to switch it up and use this eye paint. We're actually going to put a huge athletic light dampener under our eyes, oh boy. Okay, now we're going to be using some art. I mean, you're going to draw a little tree on your nose, and then just kind of smash the brush or the... Okay, we're putting some water on a sponge, and now I think that may have been the same water actually. Okay, moving on to some air spun. All right, you're going to put the air spun right over the stuff that you put on before, which didn't do anything, so maybe this one will do the trick. All right, pat some of this around, spread it around, just another layer of some more makeup. You know, I mean, when in Rome, right? Ah, looking good. All right, now you're gonna grab this broken piece of garbage, and then you're gonna grab a brush and smear it around your face some more. Now, this is a blue brush, so what it's doing is it's actually putting makeup on the cheeks. Now, make sure you make a little fishy face and hold back your hair that's already held back. All right, now we're actually going to put some makeup on our neck, and then the side of your nose. That way, oh boy, we're moving on to party. All right, put a little more blush on the cheeks, and perfect. All right, now grab this micro hubcap, and we're actually gonna just do a little bit of shine and sheen right here. We call this the shine and sheen step. Just kind of, just a little brush, just flitter it around a little bit on your nose. Yep, just sort of put it on your lips. Just make yourself look all nice and Team Edward. Now we're gonna grab this primer. I wasn't cheating. Oh, and we're only gonna put on one eye. Maybe we did both, who knows? All right, now we're gonna grab this big palette, and we're going to grab one of the 7 colors she pointed to and put this on our eyes. Now, this one doesn't actually have any pigment, so this step is purely for the charade. Step 2, we're going to grab the same thing, and we're going to grab one of the other 6 she pointed to, and we're going to put it just right on over the top. Now, just kind of work it in there, right up in the corner. See it starting to take hold? Uh-oh. Now we're getting real. It's the glitter time. Now, an important step when you're doing glitter is to make sure it just gets absolutely everywhere and you hate yourself for a long time. You're just going to put that on your eyelids and then follow up with some more Invisa makeup. Now we're going to choose either this one or this other one, and we're actually going to go right back on the same spot for a 17th time and maybe adjust it a little bit more. All right, now grab one of these 4. I think we're actually slowly using every single one in this palette, but just in a random order. So we're actually going to go and just make this area a little bit darker, because you know what? It was just too light. Too light on the edge there. It just didn't capture the beauty of the makeup. All right, now, eeny, meeny, miny, this one. Maybe we've used it before, maybe not. We're going to go on the under eye with it, and then use these 2 or 3. And go on the under eye again. So we're building the makeup here is what's happening. We're building it up. We're using a little black brush, and now we're doing a fine amount of detail. Because with makeup, when you put it on, then you actually have to put it on twice smaller a second time. And that's how you actually, adhere the makeup to your face. Now after the wing liner, you're gonna grab your volume, and you're just going to give your eyelashes just a shot of lash Botox that they really need. Just black tar lash Botox. Oh, there you go. Yeah, a little... Oh my. All right, and last but not least, we're going to be using this little black pencil here. And, well, actually, instead of the pencil, we're going to use it as a brush. So we're just going to brush the eyebrows. La 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 la. All right, just keep brushing the eyebrows a little bit. Now this is the pen, so we're actually going to be filling in the eyebrows a little bit that we just brushed. And then what we're going to have to do is brush them again because, well, we just messed them up with the pen after all that brushing. So put the pen in, get them all nice and filled in. There you go, back to brush over. Okay, we're going to grab a little tube of frosting and we're going to smear it on our face. Instead of eating it right away, we're going to slowly consume it throughout the course of the day, just kind of in with our meals and our beverages. So we're going to just kind of lightly put this around, build, build, build. All right, and now finally, last but not least, the final last step is some more primer or finishing spray. And this is the completed look. Boom. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. Thanks for watching, everybody.